stabilizer link, drop link, front and rear on a 2.2 7th generation Honda Accord. For the front we are using Miele. For the rear we are using Ridex. The front ones should be 80 millimeters and the rear ones should be 115. Let's go and change the parts. The part that we are planning of changing is this drop link. We will have a nut on the lower part, a nut on the top bit. Should be relatively simple to change. I prefer doing it with the wheel removed, but if you don't want to remove the wheel, you could attempt to do it without. 16 is too big. 16 is too big. 14. Yep, this is the winner. The lower bit also. No. A little bit of rust penetrating spray never hurt. We pause this video for 1 minute and we address something that I would be doing differently should I want to do this job again. Mainly the idea is to prepare the bolts that you are planning to undo, by spraying penetrating spray, rust penetrating spray, a few days in advance. This is a very good advice to take and to do, because this will avoid all sorts of other hassle that you're gonna see me experiencing later in the video. Although it's not really the right thing to do, let's try with the impact. Surprise, it worked. Yay! Half of it is off. Because I'm struggling with this smaller bit, I remember that I used for the brakes on the BMW this 1/2 inch Allen socket. So right now having the proper tool will make my life much easier rather than using that small little socket. Yay! This is what happens if you don't pay enough attention to the rust. I was in a rush, so rather than going baby steps, I forced it a little bit, round off the inner Allen, and had to cut the nut. This is our old stabilizer bar. We will have another one, which is the new one, but I don't know which one is which. I'll look on the part numbers. They are different. No, I need to check the number. Rear right. Rear right is the one with 42. So for rear right, we have the code number with 142. This will be the new part. Bigger bolts this time. This time we have 70. We finished one of the wheels. The other 3 of them will be very similar. Keep in mind that the parts are different left from right, so make sure that you're using the correct part for the side that you are planning of doing. Also, as a general idea, be mindful of the area in which you are working, because on older cars the brake lines are very brittle and very rusted and sensitive. The harnesses are also very brittle and can be damaged easily. Also, when you are doing this type of work, you might want to lift both sides. So not both sides, front versus the back, because the drop links will transmit part of the force from the other wheel. So it will be very hard for you to change this type of part without lifting both sides. What else? Get enough penetrating spray. That is the saver. Don't try to undo the bolts in one go. I would say you undo them, redo them, and spray penetrating spray so that you're able to remove that rust and don't need to cut bolts like I needed to do. The main things, take the time, have patience. Also, I would say have an angle grinder or a Dremel, something that, should you not be able to remove the bolt easily, you will have the option of cutting that bolt. This being said, I hope that this video helps. I'll show you some pictures with the front bit, very similar to the back. Also, you will see that the newer parts will require sometimes different tools. so the nuts will be bigger, or the locking mechanism is different on the Meyle versus the Ridex, but they're not any special tools. So should you have a decent tool set, you will be able to do the job. Overall, the handling of the car has improved after changing these parts. It's something that will be necessary to do on these older cars. And overall, I hope that this video helps. If I forget something, or if you have ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next video.